My young single kiddo drives a couple hours to college, and I was looking for a multi-tool like this that could be kept in the car door for all types of emergencies. Love the pre-sharpened flat and serrated knife options, a stainless steel titanium coating. It's got a bottle opener integrated in there. Let's see if we can get it to go here. Yep, pops right off. Blade does come with an interior safety liner lock. When it is pushed in, you cannot protect the blade. If you slide it over, it comes right in. So once again, when it's over, you can slide the knife in as a safety lock, but it remains in the lock position. This is an integrated flashlight. You do have to turn it on. Let's see if I can get it to go there. Yep. Twist it on to come on. It's not overwhelmingly bright, but it'll be great in an emergency. And I love that it is removable. There have been times where I've had an emergency battery situation. My cell phone flashlight couldn't get in there. Love that I have this tiny little flashlight. Also, if there's an underwater car emergency, I could get to that easily, but I love that I can get to any tiny part of a vehicle, and should I be submerged in water in an emergency, it does stay waterproof up to 2 minutes, which is a great safety feature as well. Handle coating is aluminum, rust resistant. Love how light the blade is. It's about 5 ounces total. A good grip for me. I don't have any issues with that in emergency. You could use it as self-defense if you had to. And 2 additional car safety features. This is like a seatbelt cutter lock. You could use it for a lightweight rope if you had to cut into that, as well as the glass break. I love that feature. Let's see if this is a very, very heavy nylon rope. Let's see. Yeah, it's not going through it at first case. I think it'd do better on a seatbelt, but it is kind of eating through that. Let's give that sharp blade a try and see what it does. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice. So it cut right through that. So I would say the blade is your sharper tool. It's got the rope cutter should you need that. And I do love it does come with this kind of a nylon bag to keep everything in. It's got a belt loop should you need to take it on the go. The total knife is a little over 8 inches long. The blade itself, let's see, is about maybe 3.5 inches, and the handle is about 5 inches total. The carrying bag is about 6 to fit everything inside of that. And it does have a Velcro for the knife to fit in. Let me see if I can contract this thing again. And let's get it in there. It looks like, yeah, there's more than adequate space to hold that. I am a 5'2" female, and it's about the size of my palm for reference. So overall, being independent, whether it's hiking or after dark or an emergency situation, love that there's one tool to help them feel prepared, confident in any situation. It's not bulky, but not being prepared isn't a great option either. I feel like it's practical, empowering, and a great utility for peace of mind. If this video helped, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.